breakfast, that first part of our day where we typically don't make the best food choices because we're in a rush, right? We have kids that need to go to school. We need to get to work. Our husbands need to get to work. We need to get out the door. We need to keep it moving. And so, of course, we're grabbing a bagel or pouring a bowl of cereal or driving through a drive-through. But look no further. I have 3 delicious, easy, healthy meals that you can whip up in no time. So by the end of this video, you're gonna have 3 recipes that are gonna be your new go-tos, and that drive-through you can say bye-bye to. If you try any of these recipes, let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. I do healthy recipes and workouts and just how to incorporate health and fitness into your lifestyle. It's totally attainable. Anybody can do it. So if you'd like to see these recipes, then just keep on watching.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking